Hey, what is up guys? This is Theodore from Poison Brain. Production. This got a little low, huh? So, welcome to another amazing video. Today we're not going to talk about mixing and mastering, and we're going to talk about Instagram. And more specifically, you're going to see 3 amazing tips that will help you a lot when it comes to creating a professional image on Instagram. Let's do this right now.
Poison Brain Productions.
Too many times you have noticed artist profiles that basically don't have any idea how a professional profile is built out there, and they end up, putting too much stuff or check out my new song, and they basically behave all the other world like they're the center of the world and okay, everyone wants to check out my music. So this is totally wrong. But I'm going to give you 3 tips to be a lot more sincere with what you're going to create on social media. So the tip number 1 here on Instagram is for you to have a clear, sincere bio. Write your sincere bio. Something that inspires you, something that gives you life every single day. This can be your personal reason, it could be something else. It could be a quote or a rap verse of your own. So if you think it is absolutely dope, put this on your bio. Then the number 2 is the link you're going to have below. So the link you're going to have below needs first of all to look a little more professional. So identically is your website, which is the number 3. I guess that too many of you don't have a website already. So that's why there are websites that can create a massive link, or hyperlink it is called, and such as Linktree, which can give you links to all your platforms, to all your streaming platforms. Spotify, SoundCloud, Tidal, iTunes, you can have them all there in one link, and this creates a whole more professional image than just having a YouTube link, which I see in too many profiles that probably don't know how to create a more professional image for themselves. So the number 3, I already mentioned it, is the website. So of course there are many software that can build your own website, and you can have also someone to do this for you. But if you learn actually how to do this, you can later show it to someone else and even get paid from it. So invest literally. If you can't learn actually how to do this on your own, that's totally fine. Invest in having your own website. It creates one hell of a lot more professional image for your artist name, and you're basically going to have there your music, your projects, who are you, your bio in detail, more professional images of you recording in a studio, maybe a beat that you made if you are a producer also, other projects that you have been participating on, if it is a TV show or a commercial, or your music on a commercial, or anything like that. So you can basically organize everything that you do related to music onto your website and have this as a bio link onto your Instagram profile, which is one hell of a professional thing. Because if your let's say your username is Lil Bottle, like this. Okay, let's say your professional name is Lil Bottle. So when someone reads lilbottle.com, it is way more professional than just having a YouTube link there. So now I share with you the 3 tips that are going to make your profile look more professional, like the professional artists like Kanye West or all these guys are doing. Now, I know that you have been helped from this, and there are many other steps that have to do with social media and how you can engage with more fans, or even how you can make money through your music. If you want to learn more, and if you are not satisfied with your results by now with making money through your music, now you can. We can talk about this one-on-one on a free consultation session. This means we're going to talk one-on-one on any issue you have, on any difficulty you have, on all these sections: mixing, mastering, and promoting and making a living out of what you love in order to go to the next level. Take action now. The free calls are going to end. Later, you're not going to have access to this. You're going to have to pay for these calls, and this is something I do not want, because I really like to help action takers and I want to invest time on them. So this is your chance. Give a big smile to yourself, and I'll see you in another video. GG, bye.